How to copy text from PDF file. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can copy text from your PDF document. So we'll test this. So first let me open up my note, and so let's check if we can copy directly from the PDF. So open up your PDF and it will open up in your Edge, Microsoft Edge. So simply select the text, copy it, and try to paste it. So there you go, it simply does paste it. Now to copy this, simply press on Ctrl C, select the text, press on Ctrl C, and go to your anywhere that you want to paste it and do Ctrl V. Now this is Ctrl plus C to copy and Ctrl plus V to paste. So you can use this to control and paste this whatever you say the text. Now what you need to do is, if in case this does not work, what you'll then need to do is right click on the PDF document, go to open with, and choose another app. Here you can open this from your Word document. Now open this from Word, and after you open it from Word, you will be able to copy it. Now let me just open this up first. Now tap on enable editing on the top, and from here you can copy it very simply. You can even control right click on it and cut it, go to your note or other document, and then simply right click on it and paste it here. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.